Sorry about that, guys. Continuing from our last video. Um, so that basically helps us to know what we're doing uh, with our inventory at the booth when it's sold and when it's made, so that we can always stay on track. So just remember to always use this Google Doc. For solar packs, we have 5 in stock. If you were to also input, let's say 1, let's do it on a 0 so you can see it. It changes and goes to 4. Or let's say somebody sold 1 and then the next shift sold 1, you would add 1 on top of it. Goes down. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so then now we have combos. And when you account for these, the raw material, just FYI, anytime you sell something, it does not subtract from the raw material inventory, only when you make something. That's what raw material is usually for. So there's been a few times throughout the semester where I've been confused as to why something didn't work when I input into a cell, like to subtract units here. It's because I accidentally put it in for sold instead of made. So just remember to make sure when you make it, put it in made, and when you sell it, put it in sell. Anyway, continuing. When you sell combos, it'll subtract from our inventory ready to sell at the booth. So if for whatever reason there was no bracelet sold in the combo, put the sale in the number boxes here. So it's going to subtract from the BAMX and the solar packs. So here's 1, subtracted from those, but it kept these numbers the same because there was no bracelet. If you do happen to sell it with a certain type of bracelet, you obviously look in the box, see what the type of bracelet it is. You type 1, okay, and then it'll subtract 1 from these, and then it'll subtract 1 from there. This used to be 7. I can show you again. Boom. Cool. All right, so it's pretty self-explanatory, and you'll get the hang of it. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial video. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.